What's up, gang? Welcome back to my channel, guys. And if you're new here, please subscribe, guys. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you a lot. Okay, guys, in today's video I'm going to cash out these $2.64, guys, to my PayPal account. Okay, guys, if you don't know how to earn on this site, guys, on this app, you earn by receiving SMSs, guys. Each SMS, guys, you earn is 0.2 cents. Okay, and guys, you will be able to cash out to whether you use Bitcoin or PayPal, but for me I'm going to cash out via PayPal. Okay, cash out, yes, I'm sure. Request error, please contact support. Okay, guys, as you can see, guys, I've withdrawn, guys. Now I have to contact them and tell them that I've withdrawn, guys. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I will update you when I receive the payment, guys. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.